Okay, guys, so how are we going to decide what the composition of these are?
Do the same testing we've done
Same
before.
testing we've done before. Let's grab this sandstone, and well, how are you going to test it?
We usually always go to the
Go for it.
glass plate first, right?
Yep.
I'm running out of. Yeah, it scratched it.
Absolutely it did. That's because this sandstone is made of sand, and what is the primary mineral in sand?
Quartz.
Quartz is exactly right. These other two are also made of quartz for the most part. And the reason is because all of the other minerals get destroyed almost completely through erosion. But since quartz is really hard, it's able to withstand the erosion and the transport and also the deposition to turn into a rock through lithification. So the majority of the rocks that we have that are detrital are going to be quartz-based. The majority of the rocks that we have that are chemical are going to be either calcite or silica-based. We do have a couple of exceptions, such as the rock salt, that is a tasty exception.